This is our Insitu deluxe leg sling. It's great for our young clients. It's made of a soft, breathable fabric with minimal seams and no handles, and can be left in place in a wheelchair with the least amount of impact on skin integrity. You've got multiple loops for different adjustments, whether you want your client sitting nice and upright or slightly reclined. It also has this slippery fabric under the legs, which makes inserting and removing the sling really simple. As you can see here with our friend, the individual leg cuffs mean that each leg is fully supported and it actually takes pressure off the bottom area. With the Dignity strap here, it stops legs from splaying, so it's really, really comfortable for our clients. And one of the other features that I love about the Insitu deluxe leg sling for our young clients is the small aperture. Because it's got a small aperture, it supports their bottoms and their little pelvises really, really well, so they actually feel really secure and comfortable in their sling when being hoisted. It's great for our clients attending schools and kindies. They can be hoisted into their wheelchairs at the beginning of the day, and the sling can actually be left in place while they go to school. So we've actually got multiple clients who have one of these at school and one of them at home, and they use them interdependently.